Okay, so the next thing I'm going to demonstrate is how to connect your social networks. This is a really very simple process. You click on your name at the top and your profile, and then that will open up and you will see a tab called Social Networks. And it will show nothing in here unless you've previously linked your social networks. Now, what I often recommend to people to do is to actually log in to the social networks that you're going to connect in another tab. So you can see I've logged into my Facebook account already in another tab. That just facilitates the browser. It knows that you're logged in and it's more likely to just log you straight through without you having to go through more hoops. But then we just basically click Link Networks, and this launches a integrations dashboard, I guess you would call it, with the company that we use to integrate to the social networks. And then you click whichever social network or it is that you want to join. So we're going to click Facebook, and it's the same process, excuse me, for each of them. And we're going to continue. Now you just need to let it have all the permissions that it asks for. Please don't try and be selective about this, because that will upset things. Now I have a Sandpit page, which is my test page, and I'm going to connect to that. But obviously you may only see one, or you may see multiple ones. It depends how many pages you have access to. And I should have prefaced at the beginning, please make sure that you log in with an account that you have administrator access to the page that you're trying to administrate. So basically make sure that if it's not your personal account, which most people, in most people's cases it will be, but just in case you have to, the account that you have administrator access to the page that you want to post to has a different login, make sure that you log in with that login up here first. So I'm just going to click submit. I've probably made that sound way more complicated than it needs to be. For most people, it would be very straightforward. And there you go. It says Facebook is linked. I'm not going to bother to link these two at this point, but the process is exactly the same. And once you've done that, you just click close, and you'll be transferred back to the user account details, your profile tabs. And then you will see when you click on social networks, you'll see that you have got Facebook there. Now, if you did want to update any or add any later, you just click that button and it will take you straight back to that screen, and you can go and add the other ones as well. So that is how you connect your social networks to the Co Kinetic platform, ready to start posting content to your social networks. And we'll do that in the next video.